My name is Rubega Paul Passy, and I'm the head of marketing and corporate affairs Finance Trust Bank. We made an announcement together with the central bank about the change of license. This basically means that we change the license from Tier 1 license of a commercial bank to Tier 2, which is also a bank, but basically referred to as a credit institution. That basically meant that as a bank, we have taken some decisions on what we need to do in respect of the capital that the bank has and its resources, and how we want to leverage it to serve our customers even better. The bank is strong. We are one of the oldest banks in the market with over 40 years in this market. We've grown from credit institutions, from microfinance and to a full service commercial bank. And right now, we are saying no, strategically, we want to concentrate on our market, the microfinance, small and medium enterprises, organizations, businesses and individuals, salaried. And so strategically, the bank had decided to acquire a Tier 2 license because we think that's something that is important right now. Are we closing branches? Of course not. As a matter of fact, we are likely to open more branches in areas where our customers are. We are likely to increase our footprint in respect to channels in terms of agent banking and other digital channels that we think we want to really serve our customers more closely. So that's the objective. We're still a very strong bank, one of the best in the market and customer experience, and so we're here to stay. It's a strategic choice. This is a very strategic choice for the bank. There's a lot of capital available for financial institutions, incidentally, all over the world. But somehow, as a bank, we just don't want Tier 1 capital. We want to make sure that we champion the cause of the bank in respect to the kind of customers we want to serve. So we noticed that, as we say, we're putting women first. We are handling people that are in the SME space, small and medium enterprises, individuals. We believe that that kind of market that we are serving is well aligned to our mission, and we can actually serve it more strategically better, even when we are a Tier 2 financial institution. And so that's our focus. It's a strategic move that we have undertaken as a bank, and I think it's going to benefit our customers tremendously. The customer's money is very safe. We are one of the safest places, regulated by the central bank. I think the central bank issued a statement around how safe and capitalized we are now in this tier. Customers should be safe, knowing that their money is safe and they can access it on all our channels anytime they want. They can save more money. There's no limitation on how much they can save with us or how much they can borrow. We have a huge loan book out there. We're going to be a Tier 2 bank come April 1st. We have a huge loan book out there. We're serving billions and billions of money that we have lent out to our customers. So you can imagine that we're still here to stay. So customers' deposits are very safe, and they should continue paying their loans as per the loan agreements. And those that want to come and access loans or open accounts, we are moving on steadily, even more aggressively than we have been. There's no need to panic whatsoever. Customers shouldn't panic taking money out of the bank, because there's nothing that has changed when it comes to how the bank is going to operate. You can access your money using any of our channels, any of our branches, but I think you should use these channels more to save, pay back your loans. Come to the bank, let's give you loans, let's serve you better. We are now getting more aligned to even extending even much more services to our targeted customers. So I wouldn't say there's totally no need for any customer to worry about the safety of their funds. Okay, great. So for ordinary customers that access loans and save, you take a loan and you save and you're doing normal transactions, frankly speaking, there's nothing that is going to change about that, because the bank is still doing those services, savings and lending services, money transfer. If you have your account in US dollars or any other forex services that we offer, you will not even feel it. You will not even know the difference, because these services are not changing. We are still offering the normal services. What is likely to change are just the customers that are holding current accounts, that we are going to be able to find solutions around serving them without current accounts, and those that have overdraft facilities. And we already have solutions on how to deal with those customers. And there are not very many in our segment, and so they should also not worry. We're already going to make headways on how we are going to serve them without offering those two products. Otherwise, the rest of the services for the customers, you won't even feel it. You possibly feel that we're even giving you much better than we used to, now that the bank is well capitalized. Absolutely. Nothing is changing when it comes to channels. All channels are going to be working, and they're working right now. You can take your money, you can save your money. All our relationships with mobile money companies stay. You can pay all your bills if you are paying national water, URA, and all services that the bank is offering, third-party services on behalf of government. None of those services is going to change, including agents that have float replenishment and agents of the bank or partner banks. All those services are staying, and we shall continue offering them to our customers. So there is nothing that has changed on the services that we're offering to our customers, especially on the channels. Again, we have a strategy to continue serving the kind of customers I've been talking about. As I told you, we say we're putting women first, but we serve many of the customers in small and medium enterprises, and we bank quite some good corporates as well that find our mission appealing of helping people in economic empowerment. So essentially, when you look at what we want to do, it's a much bigger idea than just a merger. We're not just here doing banking business. We're here to change people's lives. And to us, that idea then drives strategy. And whether we should merge or not, we did not find it necessary as management and, of course, the board to do anything else other than saying, look, we can serve our customers as a tier 2. And so we went ahead and applied for that license. Thank you. The difference between a tier 2 and a tier 1 is basically on some of the services that are offered by tier 1 banks that are not offered by a tier 2. I talked about current accounts. I talked about overdraft facilities. So when most of the current accounts have checks, you issue checks. So when if we're not going to be able to issue our own checks directly the way we have been doing it, but we have an arrangement, a couple of other arrangements that will be able to serve customers that bring checks to us and etc., plus a lot of other things that we put in place. Some of our customers have been transacting over internet banking platforms. Those internet banking platforms will stay, and they transfer money, and they use the RTGS and the EFT facilities. Those facilities are still available for money transfer and payments, especially bulk payments or mass payments. So all these kind of services we're talking about are still available to us, and they should be able to continue. But overdrafts and current accounts, those we will possibly not be able to offer, but we'll find alternatives on how to serve those customers that have been accessing those services. All right, Finance Trust Bank has been in this market for a long time. We're now adequately capitalized. As a matter of fact, we are one of the biggest capitalized credit institutions right now. And we are here with a bigger purpose of not just doing banking, but serving the people, doing economic empowerment, extending financial inclusion to people, and uplifting lives. And this is something that governs every single decision that the bank is making. So strategically, we have decided to go and acquire a tier 2 license, because we've made an assessment that majority of our customers, 95% 5% of our customers will not be affected by this decision. But it will give us a lot of leverage to actually expand on services, expand on channels, and a lot of resources to us to actually invest in areas that can help the customer that we strategically target to serve to actually leverage the bank more and achieve their objectives. And of course, keep the bank even stronger and growing. So it's a good thing for the bank, and customers should look at it as a big opportunity that has befallen the bank to be able to scale and expand services. The places where we haven't been, now we have an opportunity to reach there in terms of branch coverage and services on our channels, the things we haven't been doing because of some challenges here and there. Now we don't have those challenges in respect to capital, that we should be able to scale and have bigger dreams achieved as we have been planning them. So strategically, that's what we're planning to do, and our customers should take our word that we've been here and we're still here for the long run. Thank you very much.
Finance Trust Bank, putting women first.